Inlet, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for the Atlantic coastal waters between Manasquan Inlet and Little Inlet, New Jersey out to 20 nautical miles, including Barnegat Light Reef, Fort Trevor, Louvelet, Ocean Gate, and Seaside Park until 4:30 p.m. At 3:38 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms, producing strong winds 34 knots or greater from Ocean Gate to 8 nautical miles west of Fort Trevor, or from Pine Beach to 8 nautical miles west of Fort Trevor, moving east at 20 knots. These strong thunderstorms will be near 2 nautical miles south of Ocean Gate by 3:50 p.m. over Fort Trevor, by 3:55 p.m. 2 nautical miles south of Seaside Park, and 5 nautical miles south of Louvelet by 4 p.m. over Barnegat Light Reef, and Barnegat Light by 4:10 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following marine location. Coastal waters from Manasquan Inlet to Little Inlet, New Jersey out 20 nautical miles.
We're just gonna see if they will do it on the TV.
So when you get into, get the sense that you're going to hurry a little bit, still being safe, but at the same time, you get back here to go there to get some proper medical care.
I don't know if they're gonna do it.
So the goal
Let me just go get some.
10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 20 knots. Seas 5 to 7 feet, mainly in the southeast swell. Rough conditions around inlets. Showers likely with isolate.
Okay, alright, I know. Alright guys, I don't think they're gonna do it on the TV, so I'll talk to you later.